Hi everyone, welcome to Peacock Way. Welcome back to my channel. In today's project, I'm using this mixed media paper and this stamp, which is from Amazon. I'm using uh, different parts of the stamp from this, and then I'm going to add that in this project. Then I'm going to use archive a link for stamping. So if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, click on the like button and turn the notification on. That way you will get all my videos as I post it. So I'm using like different stamps on the different areas. Then I'm going to dry this. Then I'm using this stencil, which is from Tim Holtz collection, and I'm going to use acrylic paint for that. So I'm going to add some more on different areas. So this gives a good texture for the background. Then now I'm going to dry this, and then I'm going to use watercolor. I'm spraying some water and activate it, and then I'm going to use that on this background. So I'm just using like 2 or 3 colors. um, I'm not going to make this too bright, so I'm going to splatter some. Then I'm going to use a different color. Now I'm going to dry this um, completely. Then I'm going to use this acrylic paint, and then I'm going to use this stencil. This acrylic paint is a little thick one, so I'm going to use that as a molding paste. I didn't realize it when I bought it. I thought it'll be like a liquid kind of a thing, but it was nice and thick. So I thought I can use it as a molding paste. So I'm going to use this in different areas. So it gives a nice texture in the background, which I like it. I have few colors in this. It was interesting to use this. Now I'm going to dry this one, because if it is acrylic paint, it should dry quickly. but because it is thick, it might take a few minutes. Then I'm going to make some of these elements ready. So I have a thread, and I'm going to use that, and um, I'm going to cut that and use it in this project. Then I made this frame. If you are interested, let me know. I can show you how I made it. I'm going to use that in this project. Then I'm going to use these two guys as a focal point. Then I'm adding other elements in this. Now I'm going to add some more things in this on the side, different elements. Then I'm going to add this lamp post on the side, so it will look nice for this project. Then I'm going to splatter some black acrylic paint. Then I'm going to let it dry. Then I'm going to use black pen and scribble in the bottom, so that it will not look like they are floating or something like that. Then I'm going to dry the whole thing. Then now I'm going to add the coat and finish the project. So this is the close-up picture. So if you like it, please don't forget to subscribe, click on the like button and leave your comments below. I will see you in my next project. Thanks for watching. Bye.